In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select a group of emails in Yahoo Inbox to delete at once. Start by opening your web browser and going to yahoo.com. In the upper right corner, click Sign In. On the sign in screen, if your account is shown, select it to continue. If not, carefully enter your email address and password and sign in as you normally would. Always make sure you're on the official Yahoo site and keep your login details private. After you're signed in and back on the Yahoo homepage, look to the upper right and click Mail. If the Mail button appears again as the page loads, click it once more to open your mailbox. You should now be in your inbox with your messages listed in the center. To select a group of emails at once, find the selection control at the top of the message list. It's the checkbox above your emails near the left side of the list. Click Select All to highlight the messages that are currently visible. Typically, this selects all emails on the page you're viewing, not your entire mailbox at once. If your screen is narrow and you don't see the checkbox, try widening the window or making sure you're in the standard view. Before deleting, scan the highlighted emails to confirm nothing important is included. If you notice an email you want to keep, simply uncheck it so it isn't removed. You can also use the search bar beforehand to narrow your view, filtering by a sender or a keyword, so you're only selecting what you intend. This helps prevent accidental cleanup of useful messages. With your group selected, look at the toolbar above the list and click Delete. If Yahoo asks you to confirm, click Delete again to proceed. Your selected emails will be moved out of the inbox and into the trash folder. That safety net is there in case you remove something by mistake. Right after deleting, you may see an on-screen undo option for a short time, which can quickly restore the messages if you change your mind. Keep in mind that Select All affects only the messages shown on the current page. If you have more pages of emails, move to the next page and repeat the same selection and delete steps until you're done. Working page by page ensures you keep control over what's being removed. And that's the process. You signed in, opened mail, selected a group of emails with a single click, and deleted them at once with a quick confirmation. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more organized inbox.